Hey everyone, now we are gonna unbox this parcel. So let's open. Okay, okay, done. Okay, here we open up. Inside we have few more packaging. Okay, so that's all inside. So let's open this. Okay, here we have another closing, like opening. Okay, this these 5 coins are 1962 1 rupee coins, very scarce in this issue. You can see clearly 1962 1 rupee. Few customers have sent us this requirement after all are out of stock. So for those customers, we have arranged this 5 coins. So sooner they will receive it. So let's check other coins. And here you can see food and nutrition 1992 coin. I think this is a single mint coin. I think all coins are Calcutta mint. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. All are in very good UNC condition. So sooner these also for sale. And the coin we have here is, okay, so let it be there. And this one is 1991 tourism year 1 rupee coin. These also we have 10 coins here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So this also we have 10, and totally we have 10, 20 and 25 coins. This one 1962 are very hard to find condition, very beautiful condition. So in this video we got 25 coins, all are for sale. Sooner hit the like button, subscribe for more contents like this.